Good evening. Well, welcome to Mitch's Disneyland N-scale layout. Today I am refurbishing what I was originally working on, which is the Grand Canyon diorama, which would lead into the primeval world, I believe? Well, I don't know. I haven't been to Disneyland since they raised their prices to where rich people can go only. I mean, that's just not for me. So, what am I working with? This used to be a postcard. I don't know why I did two different colors. Um, yeah, it was a postcard, and I took an orange juice container. This would be the bottom, so it would be sitting like this, right? Cut it to make it a see-through container. Now, of course, it's filthy. I'm going to try to clean it. And like I said, this was a it was a postcard, which I'll try to put together so you can see what it would be here. The Grand Canyon Diorama. Anyways, Grand Canyon National Park, Arizona. Why is it blurry? There we go. Grand Canyon spreads out for seemingly, I can't read through the screen there, seemingly endless miles of ocean of color, rising from the misty dew depths, blue depths. See, I can't read without my glasses. Are gigantic islands and crimson sandwiches. Sandwiches? Okay. Sandy sandstone. I can't read without my glasses, plus that glue all over it. Something bands growing softer in color and outlined towards the horizon. Well, the horizon on mine, of course, is going to be like Disneyland, so you'll see it like this. All right, like probably like that. That's about as close as I can get it. You won't see all the globs of glue up here and stuff because I'll show you here. Because I will be putting these after I cut them and make them, paint them, you know, and make it look like you're actually on the train ride. So when you're when you're on the train going by, there will be a block of wood cutting off the globby paint, and just picture it, because I'm gonna have it down here so I can't really hold it. Anyways, we'll just use one piece. So I don't know why it wants to turn. It should stay just like that. Okay, so it'll be like that, kind of on an angle, and we will have plenty of roof pieces here. I can't get them all together by hand here because I'm going to have to do some gluing, but it'll look something like this. So here's your roof coming out, right? And you'll see it like this. Can't do it. My hand's in the way. I'll hold it like this so you can kind of see. So you're going to see roof lines hanging out over here, and then I'm going to have down here, because the train tracks will be out here, and you won't see that shine, otherwise it'd be kind of weird that there's a shine on mountains and stuff. But anyways, the railroad track seems to sit about here, and we'll have built up rocks in the foreground, of course, with our well, yeah, I'm going to just make a real quick thing here so you can see what it would look like. Picture you're not looking at the bottom pieces here, but you're looking at this. So this is what you're going to see as you pass by. Black, of course. And this would be a little bit thinner, maybe half of that size. They're posts when you're going by. The glass window would be there, so no one can get inside the diorama. Anyway, so that's what I'm working on. How are we going to clean it, you ask? Well, let's see how we're going to do that. Hang on a second. We're going to use this Swiffer duster cloth, and I'm going to just wipe it out in here real quick. Clean off our scenery. Much better. Of course, the outside here is filthy too, so, and you can kind of see the dust. Hot glue, like I said, you won't be seeing that because this will all be painted black anyways, and this will be black in here, and the roof line will cover that, so you won't see that. See the difference in the dust and the non-dust? There we go. Switch to this one, let's do the same thing. Shinier, more bright colored now. Not shinier, we don't want shine. Shine would be bad. Who's gonna have a shiny diorama? Not me. Okay, so here we go. There's the diorama. Now it's hard to show it to you, but on the train board it'll actually sit like this. The train's going to be going around the corner, of course, so it's going to have a curve to it too. So it'll sit like this as the train tracks run around, like kind of like this. And the trains will make it look like there's, you know, you put people in there, make it look like it's actually going through, which would be, you'd be looking at it like this if you're looking through the diorama, which I will show you later as we go along. Thanks for watching. That's my update for now. I will show you more after I get the 16 Y posts built and the roof line. Have a good night. And remember to subscribe to my channel on YouTube so you can watch me work on this. This is Magic Mitch Arts. I believe I have it under. If not, it is under Cal Disney or Mitchy the Kid. I'm not sure. I have to look at my things. But please subscribe to one of those channels. Thanks for watching. I will share this on YouTube and on my Twitter account and Facebook. Have a great night.